Capturing breathtaking aerial perspectives has never been easier or more accessible for creators of every skill level. If you are searching for the best drone with camera options, our comprehensive guide will help you find the ideal match for your next big adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. DJI Mini 4K with 4K UHD camera. The DJI Mini 4K is an exceptionally well-rounded aircraft tailored for hobbyists and travelers wanting reliable performance without dealing with mandatory FAA recreational registration. Weighing under 249 grams, it spares users from mandatory FAA recreational registration while delivering high-end visual capabilities. At its core, a robust 4K Ultra HD camera paired with a smooth 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures that sunsets, sunrises, and low-light night scenes are captured with pristine clarity and zero mechanical jitters. Performance-wise, powerful brushless motors allow the chassis to maintain stable flight even against level 5 winds and at high elevations up to 4,000 meters. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive flight controls, including one-tap takeoff and landing, reliable GPS return to home, and stable hovering features. Furthermore, smart options like quick shots give users the ability to execute complex cinematic movements such as helix and droney with just a few quick taps on the screen. Battery anxiety is kept at bay depending on whether you opt for the single or multi-battery bundles, yielding up to 93 minutes of cumulative airtime. While the companion app requires a manual download directly from the official website due to platform quirks, the overall user experience remains remarkably smooth.
Number 2. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro Drone. For pilots seeking high-altitude resilience and professional-grade features, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro stands out as a heavy-duty contender that handles challenging environments with remarkable composure. Certified with an official FAA Remote ID compliance framework right out of the box, this robust flyer provides peace of mind for lawful outdoor operation. The optical system features a detachable 4K camera boasting a wide 120-degree field of view, a larger CMOS sensor, and a 3-axis stabilization gimbal that effortlessly manages lighting shifts and night scenery. Zooming in is simple thanks to the 5x digital zoom, while the sturdy 1806 brushless motors and heavy-duty framework successfully pass rigorous 6-level wind resistance tests. Operating at altitudes up to 2,000 meters and maintaining a massive control range, it gives creators the freedom to look down upon sprawling landscapes from an impressive first-person perspective. Flight endurance is another major highlight, as the package includes 3 intelligent batteries that combined for an impressive 75 minutes of total airtime, with rapid charging capabilities available via a 65W fast charger. Safety is heavily emphasized through a dependable GPS system that automatically triggers a return upon signal loss, low battery activation, or manual command. Number 3. Holystone HS-175D GPS Drone. Designed specifically with portability and ease of use in mind, the Holystone HS-175D is a fantastic entry-level companion for casual travelers and weekend explorers. It packs a crisp 4K camera paired with a 110-degree wide-angle lens into a compact foldable frame that easily slips into a backpack using the included carrying case. Users can manually tilt the camera up to 90 degrees to quickly switch between sweeping horizons and top-down shots without needing to constantly reposition the aircraft. Live aerial video is streamed smoothly via a stable 5 GHz FPV connection, allowing pilots to accurately frame their compositions in real time. Beginners will find the learning curve remarkably flat due to supportive flight assist features like altitude hold, optical flow positioning, headless mode, and smooth speed adjustments. When outdoor winds pick up or batteries run low, the intelligent GPS auto return to home function safely guides the quadcopter back to its takeoff point, preventing accidental loss.
The included dual batteries deliver up to 46 minutes of combined flight time, giving users ample opportunity to practice maneuvers and capture family memories. Creative modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest add an extra layer of fun, letting the craft handle complex flight paths automatically while you focus on framing.
Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a feature-rich aerial platform engineered to deliver cinema-quality results with minimal pilot intervention, making it a popular choice as a high-value gift for adults. At the heart of its imaging system is a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal that completely eliminates shakes and vibrations, producing professional-grade 4K video at 30 frames per second alongside sharp 6K still photos. This mechanical stabilization shines when capturing fast-moving family gatherings, expansive ranches, or windy coastal vistas with absolute clarity. Operation is approachable for users with zero prior piloting experience, aided by a dedicated beginner mode and straightforward one-key takeoff and landing mechanics. Safety is tightly secured by an advanced GPS auto-return system that automatically brings the device back home if the signal drops or voltage gets low, granting immense confidence over large estates. Outdoor endurance is exceptionally strong, bundled with 2 intelligent batteries that offer a total flying time of up to 70 minutes, reducing downtime during long road trips or outdoor excursions. For artistic expression, smart modes such as GPS follow, waypoint flight, cruise control, and orbit mode act like having a dedicated personal cinematographer in the sky. Build quality is robust and durable, though its slightly larger frame means it lacks the sub-249G ultralight exemptions found in smaller category models.
Number 5. GPS Drone with 4K Camera. The GPS drone with 4K camera redefines convenience by completely eliminating the need for a smartphone or downloaded application during flight operations. Instead, it features a dedicated 4.5-inch remote controller with built-in screen, providing a direct, lag-free, real-time FPV feed that frees pilots from distracting phone notifications and incoming calls. The onboard 4K UHD camera features a 90-degree adjustable lens that excels not only at capturing scenic outdoor landscapes, but also at practical utility tasks like inspecting high rooftops, drainage systems, and exterior walls. Dual operating modes ensure versatility, allowing seamless switching between outdoor GPS positioning, which powers one-click low battery and signal loss auto-return safety measures, and indoor optical flow hovering for steady close-quarters flight. Powering the system are efficient brushless motors that deliver lower operational noise, greater energy efficiency, and extended service life. The dual battery setup provides roughly 60 minutes of cumulative flight time, keeping charging intervals short and fun sessions long. Weighing under 249 grams, this foldable device bypasses complex registration requirements while offering advanced beginner functions like headless mode, tap fly, point of interest, and gesture photography.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.